This is Rob Unterberger from MarineMax Sailandski Center. Today we're looking at the 2019 Bayliner Element 180 with the fish package. The hull sides are black with a white bottom. It also comes with a 115 4-stroke Mercury outboard engine. There is a swim platform attached to the stern of the boat, and as you can see, it also does come with a bimini top. This boat is sitting on a caravan Bayliner trailer that comes with the boat. And as you can see on the side, it also does have a snap-on covers. Now let's go inside the boat. Step into the stern of this Bayliner 180 Element with fish package. You'll notice the fishing chair right there in the stern. There is two, they're removable and can be stored. In addition, you can also notice the desert sand interior throughout the boat. It does have cup holders in the midship as well as in the bow and stern of this boat. As we continue working our way to the bow and to the front of the boat, you'll notice that it does have a trolling motor, a freshwater trolling motor attached to the bow port side. That all does come with this fishing package that's included with the Bayliner Element 180. This boat does also have a stereo, and in addition to, it does come with a dual battery. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our models, please feel free to give me a call or any of our sales consultants, or visit us at any of our locations in Austin, San Antonio, and Lakeway. We'll see you on the lake.